COVID infection in India has continued to slow as the daily number of cases dipped to the lowest in the past 50 days. COVID-19 tally surpassed the 28 million mark on Monday, with 152,734 new cases reported in the past 24 hours. Meanwhile, as COVID cases continue to drop, several states have started unlocking easing curbs to facilitate business derailed by the variants. India reported on Monday its lowest daily rise in new coronavirus infections since April 11 at 152,734 cases over the past 24 hours, while deaths rose by 3,128. The South Asian nation's tally of infections now stands at 28.04 million. As COVID cases continue to drop, several states have started unlocking easing curbs to facilitate business derailed by the variants. Migrant workers who left Delhi as the lockdown was announced to curb the unprecedented surge of coronavirus in the national capital were seen returning as unlock process began. Migrants underwent thermal screening at Kaushambi bus station to ensure no fever before entering the capital city.
वहाँ काम चल रहा है थोड़ा पैसा रुका हुआ हमारा उधर आ गए थे लॉकडाउन में पहले तो वहाँ से फोन आ रहे हैं इसलिए जाना पड़ रहा उधर। अब आप वहाँ जाओगे तो कामकाज करोगे या फिर लौट आओगे? नहीं काम चालू है उधर बोल रहा ठेकेदार। हाँ।
Western Maharashtra state, one of the most severely affected regions in the country, has, however, announced that it would extend its epidemic restrictions till June 15 and will adjust relevant restrictions according to the development of the epidemic. Earlier reiterating that vaccines are the path to our victory against COVID-19, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday said that India is moving forward with the pledge of service and cooperation while maintaining social distancing and wearing masks.